Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to make a Roblox intermission type. So firstly, after opening Roblox Studios, we need to head to the My Game section in Roblox Studio. From here, we'll load the game we want to add an intermission timer into. So I'll go into my test game to check it out. Now let the game load first. Now the game has loaded, so we'll firstly go to the toolbox section and under models tab, we'll search for intermission. Then click on the intermission and press enter. After that, we'll find the intermission system in here. We'll just left click on it. Then click OK. Now the intermission system is here. So how this system works is firstly a player will spawn in this lobby area. After that, they will be teleported to the game area after a certain cooldown. You can build your lobby area and the game area around these platforms, or you can also make them bigger if you want. So in order to use it, we will need to take these files from the Explorers tab to their respected folders. So we'll have to take this to the replicated storage. So we'll drag and drop it in the replicated storage. Then server script service. Then starter GUI. After that, we will take this file in the workspace section. Then we'll just delete it. Now we will ungroup every one of them by pressing Ctrl+U. So now all of these files have been ungrouped. So now we can head into the game to test it out. So click on the play button. Now you can see we have spawned on the lobby section, and after the intermission timer ends, we will be teleported to the game section. So this is how the intermission system in Roblox works and how you can add intermission system into your game.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.